Okay, so we're in Taipa. This is called Rua de Bragança, and you can't really see the street sign, but it's like right on that corner. Let's just run over there real quick. Rua de Bragança, right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Rua de Bragança. That's our focus right there. And I'm gonna go back across the street because it's a little bit better over there. There's IKEA straight over there. There's Central Park, that's Central Taipa Park, which is not too far either. But we're gonna go down this way because kind of want to walk by the post office, and there's a lot of tall, interesting buildings in this area too. So there's the Correios. It's the public post office. Written in Chinese and Portuguese. So this one we're going to be walking by different things, but a lot of apartment buildings that you can see. I'll just put the camera up above and you can kind of see. There's a tree there, but there you go. Some nice tall buildings too. So keep on going all the way down. And yeah, it's Wednesday around noon. So Wednesday around noon, so you can kind of see that noonday quietness, right? Most people are at work. These are kind of cool looking buildings. This is kind of interesting too. This is some kind of school, but I like that it has some interesting colors in it. Next to the garbage dump though, which isn't it doesn't smell that good for kids, but otherwise the painting is quite nice. Got some trees with bikes on them. King Light Garden. Okay, this must be a bigger part of that same school, so I guess that was a one entrance, and here's another one. Oh, Center of Education Parento. Okay. Oh, this is kind of a cool shop. That blue one over there has really nice decor in there. Has like Bruce Lee kind of stuff, all kinds of interesting stuff. Read it. There's a little parking garage right there, parking lot. And I think we got another school here, so this street has quite a few schools, a post office, a lot of residential buildings, pharmacy right over there. I don't know what building that is. It's like the windows look awful. You'd hate to live in a building with windows like that. And then this blue building is just a really cool one. I always like this one because it's just such a amazing one to look at. I think we're gonna go over there and check it out because it's kind of unique and interesting. Just kind of get in there a little bit. Go right through there. And now we have this blue building. Try to get in the shade a little bit. There we go. I can see all the other stuff around it too, so we got kind of a wall of all these tall buildings everywhere. Dentist. So there you go. So this is all on Bragança. So I just walk down just a little bit more, and then we'll maybe we'll go through one of the entrances. Yeah, kind of interesting looking place. So this is all one big pedestrian street in here. All these kind of wavy buildings. That kind of has a wave, and that definitely has a wave too. And that used to be Lisboa Cafe, but it's changed its name. So let's just go around this way. And over here we have station. It's a light rail train. So straight ahead is Kimaarash Avenue, so we're just gonna go around the corner. And then over there is Galaxy as well, so there's Olympic Stadium, so you can see Stadium and then Galaxy Casino. And this is that same blue building again from this side. And we're gonna walk straight down this way, and then we're gonna head back to Bragança. 7-Eleven. Okay. Then right there you can see this is all kind of a new light rail entrances where people can come in and out of. And this is our street that we were just on, Bragança. And we're not too far from Stadium Station now. And so Stadium Station will have it'll just go all the way down the street where people can walk down the street without much. This is that blue building right there again. And this is the street that we just walked down, Bragança. And I guess we'll end it right there. So yeah, that's that school and all that right there. So yeah, that's Bragança Street right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.